All right, I want to start off by saying that I am not a professional investor by any means. I am not somebody who has made millions of dollars, but I am somebody who does have some money in the stocks, and I am very interested in stocks. I have several different stocks that I have a little bit of money in. I'm not saying I have a whole bunch of money in all these different stocks, but I am somebody who has money in several different stocks, and I just want to learn more about it. So as we all know, Robinhood is a company that started back in 2013. They offered zero commissions, which basically attracted a lot of us regular investors, being that we didn't have a lot of money to invest in the first place. So the zero commission allowed us to keep the majority of our profit, all of our profit, as opposed to competition, which basically cut out a lot of that. So at first, Robinhood did not offer fractional sharing, which made it very difficult for regular investors to invest in high dollar amount stocks like Amazon, like Google, or even medium-sized stocks like Tesla or like Apple. So now that we can own a millionth of a share, this allows for any one of us to own shares of companies that we really truly love and just watch them grow and really feel like we're a part of that company. Yesterday, Robinhood rolled out fractional sharing, allowing you to buy stocks in minuscule increments. This basically helps all of us out because it helps you diversify your portfolio and just helps you have a stronger portfolio in the sense that you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You can diversify your portfolio and basically hope that if one loses, basically one makes money. So you can really own a lot more stocks than you used to be able to own in the past because you didn't have to own the entire share anymore. Now, fractional sharing is not something brand new. Companies like M1 Finance have been doing it for over a year. There's Betterment, there's Stash, there's Acorns. There are other companies. However, Robinhood does have a strong following. A lot of people do tend to use the Robinhood app as far as trading stocks. So this has been a very strong, in my opinion, this is a very strong move that Robinhood made in regards to changing their structure and allowing this to now be part of their feed. So the way that it works is when a stock brokerage offers you a fractional share, they typically are supposed to buy the entire share, and then they write your ownership on a piece of paper, and then that piece of share belongs to you. Now that's not typically the way that they like to do their practice, so they would normally outsource that to a third-party service. The way Robinhood would do it is that they would basically buy the entire share, give you your portion, and then just own the remainder of it. And then after that, when enough people want to sell that exact share, they'll sell it and write it off of their balance sheet. So some of the features are things like reoccurring investments. So you can link your card to basically reinvest every month so you don't have to do it. And things like that would basically keep you on a consistent path of reinvesting and just building up your portfolio, which in my opinion is what's gonna basically get you the greatest return at the end of the day. So another cool feature is the DRIP. The DRIP is basically the dividend reinvestment plan. So this is basically where you can set up your account to where instead of getting dividends that would normally just sit in your account, it would take those exact dividends and reinvest them into the same exact stock. This actually keeps you growing into your own stock. And if you ever want to change that, you can definitely change that. But it'll keep you consistent as to growing your own stock without you having to put a thought into doing it. So if you guys have any ideas, any suggestions, please comment, subscribe. Just any tips that you guys have as far as things that I can do better, things that you guys have learned about Robinhood, the fractional sharing. Again, get on the waiting list. It's going to open up. I'm not sure exactly when this video is going to be out, but you guys really want to get on the waiting list. Numbers are increasing like crazy. So just let me know if you guys have any tips or suggestions. Just comment down below.